how to speed up Windows 10, how can you run your Windows 10 more faster ever before. In this video, we are going to share with you some key points, tips and tricks which are going to help you without installing any additional software. Hello world and welcome everyone. My name is Shamsher Ali from Bitlings Tech. Other than a running software house, we create videos for technical and non-technical people to understand about technology and software. If you're watching our video first time, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And after watching this video, I'm very confident you will feel the difference and you will refer this video to your friends and family as well. So we have a lot of more to cover in this video. Without wasting the time, I'm going to jump into my computer. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so right now we are here in Windows 10. I know how much painful it is when your system performs slow. So here we are going to share with you some tips and tricks. Just follow along. Simply press Control, Shift and Escape and you will get this task manager. If you want to open like this, right click here and then open through the task manager from here as well. Simply go to the startup and you will see all the programs here. I always clean my system as much as I could, so you surely going to see a lot of other programs here below. So whatever you need to do, just click on it and Startup Impact with the high performance. And I usually don't use that Microsoft OneDrive. I don't care about this, so I will do simply disable that. Also, I don't want some other applications to give me the updates and I don't want them to perform because I don't need them. So simply do one by one and disable all those which you don't want. Step number 2, go to search, type advanced system settings, hit enter and go to advanced, then settings, and you will see visual effects. From here you can see 4 different options. Whichever is selected, you need to select advanced one, which is adjust for best performance, and you notice that all of them are unchecked. But if you will click here, adjust for best performance, all of them is checked. Even if you like, you can select and you can go for the customs from here one by one, whichever effect you like. If you're getting effects, definitely you are losing performance. It's your choice, whichever you like. Then hit apply. It will take your time. Then you can press OK. Then again OK. Point number 3. Just click on search, type notification and action settings, hit on enter. After that you will get this window. From here you can see different kind of notifications which you usually receive here. I would recommend turn off this one and this one and whichever other you want. Also you can turn off all the notifications from here. So it's depending on the applications and the importance which you don't want them, but I would recommend to turn off especially this one. Step number 4, simply press Window plus R, or you can type run here and you can open from here. Once you will do that, simply type here %, temp, %, hit enter. Once you will open that, you will see these kind of temporary files. Just select all, whichever the best way you like, or press Ctrl+A. You will select all, then right click on it, select delete. It will ask you for the permission. Don't worry about that, guys. Simply click continue. There you go. This is going to definitely help you with that. Or if you want to delete them permanently, you can press Ctrl, Shift and delete. Once it will delete, skip, press skip on it and then run again. Same command, just simply type temp in it instead of typing %, hit enter, it will ask you for the permission. Allow them permission for the continue. Again, Control plus A to select all, then Shift and delete. Once you will do that, it will ask you to delete that permanently. I will say yes, hit enter, and the step number 4 is completed. Step number 5, simply go to the search and type power and sleep, and you can click simply on the first option. From here you can click here on additional power settings. From here you can see balanced recommended is selected, and another method, you can select the high performance plan. You can simply close that one and you can click here on the battery sign. From here you can drag here, it will show you better for the battery saving. If you will drag on the right side, it's better for the performance, and if you drag on the right side again, you will see here it's best for the performance. So if you will drag on right, that would be best for you. Step number 6, go to search and type control panel. From control panel in the programs, you can see it's uninstall a program. Go to that, and guys, whichever program you don't want or you don't usually use that, simply uninstall that. For example, if I don't use that one, I will simply right click on it and I will uninstall that one. It will ask me for the permission, hit yes, that's it. And guys, please don't keep those softwares which you really don't want. Just simply uninstall them, and that will definitely going to help you. Step number 7, go to search and type disk cleanup. Select the first option. From the drive, definitely select C, which is your for the operating system. Once you will select that, it will show you this kind of window. From here you can select and check the boxes whichever you want, and here I can see, notice that recycle bin is using 3 GB data. I don't want that. Even I can see the downloads contain 1.39 GB data in it, which I will check it later, but for now I will delete all these files, check all the boxes, and whichever you want to just review, just leave them alone and hit OK. Delete files and it will start working. It will definitely help you. Just delete and check all the boxes which you really don't want. Step number 8. If you followed all the steps and you deleted all the unwanted files, then that's it, guys. All what you need to do, click on start, click on this power icon, then simply hit here, restart. Restart your computer and you will feel the difference. I hope that after applying those tips and tricks, you will feel your operating system more faster and lighter. And guys, if you liked our video, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel. So whenever we will upload similar videos which are going to help you, you will get notification first. If you have any question or query, simply comment below. Also, we are going to put our contact links in the description below. You can contact us directly. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.